I have traveled to many places across Ghana and beyond, but there was one thing that I had never done before: camp in the middle of nature. I honestly didn't know if I would make it through the night. Then something happened that made me question every decision.
Good afternoon. Petro, may I withdrawal?
I love adventure, but camping has always been one adventure I avoided. Sleeping outside in a tent, surrounded by nature, that wasn't exactly my comfort zone. But if travel had taught me anything, it's that growth usually begins when comfort ends.
Currently here at the station, where I'll be getting the minibus, and the queue is very crazy. What you see right
While I waited at the bus station, I enjoyed looking at the sellers pushing stuff out for people waiting in the queue.
So guys, I'm still here at in the queue. I'm boarding the minibar now.
The journey to the campsite was about an hour, and I was getting this mixed feeling of not knowing how to handle my first camping adventure.
Guys, we are halfway to the place. We are almost there. Been on the road for 45 minutes now, so we should be close.
I took a motorcycle to head on from the crossroad to the campsite from where the bus dropped me off. The fear didn't disappear immediately, but the warm welcome made me feel at home. Before I even saw my tent, I was handed a freshly harvested coconut from the farm.
Nice meeting you.
This tiny tent will become my home tonight, and honestly, I wasn't convinced I would sleep. So guys, we are here. This is our tent. Finally was given a tent, so let's see how it goes. The tents are already mounted. Let me give you a shot how the tent look like. It comes with a mattress. I'm here in my tent now. I'm about to unpack and get things going. And then get ready for the bonfire night and then so this is what we are having for dinner, guys. Some fries and roasted chicken thighs. The thighs is pretty huge, as you can see here. Then we have some salad here. We have some pepper here. So this is for dinner. Something happens around a campfire that doesn't happen anywhere else. Strangers stop feeling like strangers. Stories replace small talks. Then something happened I wasn't prepared for. I stepped away for just a moment and suddenly there it was. Let's just say I went back to the camp much faster than I left. Guys, it's time to go to sleep. It's about 10 p.m. here. I use this spray to spray the tent entrance over there so that mosquitoes and bugs don't get into the tent. Morning had a completely different feeling. The fear from the night before had disappeared, replaced by peace.
You can smell it. One, it's like 6 months old. We just planted.
After the morning walk, we explored the farm, and I was amazed by the variety of plants, vegetables, and fruit trees. I couldn't believe many of them are actually grown right here in Ghana.
So guys, we are standing beneath a Negro pepper tree, and I just wanted to show you. We are doing the farm tour now. We have seen a lot of trees here. That was fascinating. Was the Negro pepper. I've always used it in my regimens, but never really seen the tree. It's like when it grows, and this is the tree.
Yeah, that's a guava. Yeah, that's a guava.
The farm tour ended on a delicious note with freshly baked bread and a cup of Tom Brown, both made right here at Adoko Farm Eco Resort.
We are walking to the waterfall now, and I'm excited. The waterfall, guys. If you like farm-to-table experiences, eco-resort, exploring, solo travel, this is the channel for you.
Please subscribe, like, and share.